And today we're doing our advent calendar. And don't forget, it's tea. It is the Tea Forte brand. And this is the Winter Chalet or Chalet collection. All right, so today we are on day 4. And it's right here. Okay, so we're gonna open her up. Okay, let's see what tea we getting today because I'm ready. Baby, it's cold outside. I need me some good tea. Okay, let's see what we got. Today we got Mountain Oolong. It's a Oolong tea. Let's get the close up. All right, let's see what it says. It says a rich oolong tea punctuated by the taste of lush peach. And it contains caffeine. Y'all see that? Okay. Well, I got my kettle over here. I also, this time I got some stuff that I probably will add. I got my unfiltered creamy honey. And I also got some candy cane spoons. I think that'll be real good in tea. What you think? But I'm gonna taste it by itself first to see how it tastes. Then I'll decide if I want to add something. So let's get her out the box. Ooh. Oh, and I do have my Spode tea mug, the Winter's Eve collection, and the plate. Don't forget, I will be doing my tea advent calendar with my Spode teacup. I feel like that alone should get a like from you on this video. Like, I'm doing it with the Spode. Like, I pulled this out for y'all. For real. Now show me you love me and hit that thumbs up. And while you at it, since I gotta ask, go ahead and subscribe. And go ahead and share the video and tell people, hey, go over there, go mess with my homegirl. Tell them. So they can see the Spode. Get into it. Anyway, back to the... All right, now we finna pour. Got my kettle. It's nice. The water is nice and hot. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Okay, let's put her in there. You see it's changing colors already. And I did get this, I got this advent calendar off of Amazon. So, yeah. I'm going to go back and check that brand out because I need to get some more stuff from them. Okay. Let's do the smell. And what I'm going to do is, because I'm going to use this more than once, I'm going to squeeze it a little. Just to get as much excess water out as I can. And I'm going to sit this to the side on my plate. And let's see. Wow. Okay. I actually love the way that steam feels going through my nose on a cold December day like today. Like, whew. Okay, let me bring y'all back up so we can taste it. All right, let's see. Because based on the way it smells, I think I do want to maybe put me a peppermint spoon in here and some honey. Quiet as it's kept. Okay. I like this. It's mild, like a green tea, but it has like a slight spice, like a herbal tea, but it's not strong. Get one of my candy cane spoons. We're gonna get one of these. Now, I actually have 2 packs of these that I just keep at my my coffee bar in one of the drawers over there. Because they only sell these like around the holiday time. That's the only time I can like find these. And I like to get them because I actually like to put these in my tea. Especially when I'm making like a hot toddy, I will use these, like, for real. So let me get one of them out. And you gotta be careful too because they'll break, child. Don't be rough getting them out because they'll crack. If you wanted to stay a spoon, just be patient. Okay? Don't. And this the spoon, y'all. It's so cute. You see how I got like the little, it's like an actual spoon. You see how it dip? This is cute. This is tea. Literally. Okay. So I got my peppermint spoon. And you know this tea is hot, so it's going to start to melt the peppermint in your tea. I can already smell it already. Okay. I'm going to add just a little bit of this creamy honey. Just a smidgen. Not even that much. You see this how it look on the inside. Real thick. Like it's almost like whipped honey. And this is all I'm going to do. This right here. It's not really that much. Not to me anyway. But add that too. Look. The tea done took it off the spoon already. The spoon got steam on it. Yeah, because it was freezing this morning. Now the sun is out now, so it's like a little bit better, but that wind's still blowing, boy. That wind is kicking. Ugh, that honey. Oh, wow. Yeah. Ooh, girl. I really like this tea. All right, y'all. Until tomorrow.